C.I.A. Packing Machines presents various semi-automatic solutions for weighing and packaging sweets, caramels, and many types of products. The BGEasy Kiss Weigher is a very interesting machine, both for the features and the price. Can weigh from few grams up. Ideal for small and medium weights and small batches of products. Simple, fast, and reliable. If you then need to seal your preformed bag, we have the mini sealing horizontal welding machine with a printing kit included. Seals heat-sealable bags professionally, also with cardboard of various types and materials. Let's see now the BGEasy Weigher, designed and manufactured always by C.I.A. Packing Machines in their factory in Vicenza, near Venice. BGEasy Weigher is available in various versions, from the standard model to the double channel with 1 or 2 balances. The double channel facilitates the flow of irregular products and is suitable also to little bigger products like chocolates, ice candies, licorice wheels, various gums, both individually wrapped and loose. Available also with touchscreen where you can set and save the various parameters depending on the product to be packaged. Just set the weight, and in no time, you can fill preformed bags, jars, and different containers quickly and accurately. Also available with double scale for a faster production. Several options to adapt the machine to the production needs of each product. With our BGEasy, you can weigh many products, not only sweets and candies, but also nuts, biscuits, legumes, short dry pasta, and much more. We also have many other solutions for packaging and automatic your products. For more information, visit our website www.ciasral.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.